folks, welcome to Padmapriya's Cuisine. Today I am making another recipe using the king of fruits, mangoes. It's mango almond kulfi faluda. Faluda is a Hyderabadi delicacy made with ice cream, vermicelli, kheer and lots of fruits. I have replaced the ice cream and the kheer with the kulfi. The ingredients of the recipe are 1 liter of full cream milk, 200 grams or 1 cup of sugar, 1 to 2 tablespoons of powdered almonds, a pinch of cardamom powder, few strands of saffron and a few drops of rose or caved essence. The essence is optional here. Let's start making the kulfi first. Now we have to heat the 1 liter milk in a thick bottomed vessel. As the milk comes to a boil, reduce the heat and simmer it for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, soak the saffron in a tablespoon of milk. As the milk is simmering, it will start thickening. It has to reduce to at least half of its original quantity. Now add the sugar to the milk and continue to simmer it for another 15 minutes. Adjust the amount of sugar according to your preference of sweetness. Add the kesar soaked milk and the 2 spoons of almond powder. Also add the cardamom powder and the rose essence. Mix it all well and cook for just 1 more minute. Generally, breadcrumbs or corn flour is added to thicken the kulfi. But here the almond powder that we added is enough to thicken the kulfi and it is also healthy. After it cools down completely, refrigerate it for 4 to 5 hours. Cover the bowl tightly while refrigerating it, otherwise water droplets would be formed in it because of the vapor. The kulfi also thickens further on chilling. I am using 1 big mango and 1 tablespoon of sugar for the mango pulp. Wash, peel and cut cubes of the mango and then grind it along with 1 tablespoon of sugar to form the mango pulp. Again adjust the amount of sugar according to your taste. Now I am preparing jam sauce. Mix 1 tablespoon of jam in half cup of water and start heating it. Cook it on a low flame till you get the thick sauce-like consistency and your jam sauce is ready. I had to prepare this because of the lockdown, but if it's available, you can also use the store-bought chocolate sauce or strawberry sauce. I have some chopped cashews, almonds and pistachios for the garnish. Finally, 1 tablespoon of sabja seeds or basil seeds, also called as faluda seed. Soak 1 tablespoon of basil seeds in half a cup of water for 15 minutes. So now let's assemble the faluda. Chill the glass in the freezer for about 10 minutes. Start with a tablespoon of jam sauce and spread it along the bottom of the glass. Next add few mango pieces on it. I am using only mango and no other fruits this time. Now add a spoon of the soaked basil seeds. See how the basil has bloomed as it soaked in the water. Next add a layer of the kulfi that we had prepared earlier. See how thick the kulfi has become on chilling. Now lastly add a layer of the mango pulp. Gently tap the glass now for all the layers to settle down. Now again repeat adding all the layers in the same order until the glass is full. Jam sauce, mango pieces, soaked basil, kulfi and then the mango pulp. Basil keeps the body cool in summer and it is also high in fiber, so it prevents constipation and bloating. You can see how wonderful and colorful our faluda is looking. Now I am topping up the glass with some whipped cream. This is the same cream that is used for black forest or fruit cakes. Finally, I am garnishing it with some chopped nuts and the cherry on the top. I am also adding some silver hearts on it because I am preparing it for my wedding anniversary. My family just loved it and they had only this for dinner, and I'm sure you also would love it. So please try it out and let me know your feedback in the comments. Please don't forget to subscribe to Padma Priya's Cuisine. Thank you very much for watching, folks. And if you find my videos good, do share and like them. Thank you. Bye.